Karma Guy here. Check out this sporty 2016 mini hardtop four-door Cooper S with a clean Carfax and only 73,000 miles. It comes with a dealer service history, plus the original books and current GA state emissions. This mini is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty and a discounted 5-year maintenance plan. We know buying a car is a big decision. Remember, price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status and warranty, but you can upgrade to a lifetime warranty at a discounted rate at the time of sale. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Drive with confidence in the Mini Cooper S.